Fellow project managers, are you preparing for the PMP exam? Let me share key insights from successful experiences. Firstly, having a tutor or mentor who speaks your native language is immensely valuable, making a substantial difference. Secondly, confidence is crucial, and combining it with practical project management experience is a game changer when facing exam questions. Thirdly, hands-on involvement in managing budgets, resources, and diverse teams helps in understanding the exam context. Fourthly, effective time management, like flagging unfamiliar questions and smart guessing, is invaluable. Fifthly, choosing the right exam center, one that aids focus and concentration, can significantly impact your performance. Sixthly, engaging in practice sessions that simulate exam conditions and using hidden knowledge from real experiences are secret weapons for tackling nuanced questions. Lastly, focusing on core aspects like scope, change management, and methodology selection is essential. Mastering these and managing diverse teams will greatly enhance your chances of success.